No, I did. So we like poke. We're like 4-year-olds all day, just so you know. Some people are like, they hate each other. No.
How long have you been together?
This will be 11.
Well, we've been married. We've known each other since 8th grade.
Yeah.
Oh.
We made out at a skating rink.
Yeah.
Okay, so met in Dallas or
No,
Texas?
in Killeen. Yeah, in Texas. Yeah,
We were Army brats.
we're from Texas,
Fort Hood.
and so we
Yeah.
met in 8th grade. Never dated. Graduated high school
Went
together.
married other people.
And then reconnected through married other people, divorced, and reconnected through Facebook because she used to make fun of my cooking.
I had a list that my next man had to know how to cook and like at least come to the table because that was my passion. Food is my passion. And I saw he cooked and I was like, oh, that's sexy. But then he put it on paper plates and I was like,
single.
I was like, you could be sexier
Like,
if that was on a plate.
I don't like washing dishes.
I was like, a man that
true.
can clean is sexy, you know?
Oh, that's cool. So just found each other on Facebook.
yeah,
Yeah.
reconnected through Facebook.
We're not each other's type
Yeah.
at all.
Okay, I guess the opposite attracts.
Yeah.
It really does.
Yeah.
No, it was like
Aw.
interests. Yeah, like we were both into cooking and like same interests.
That's
Yeah.
good.
Yeah.
So now it's gardening, it's doing this.
Yeah.
I'm like, how did I get here?
yeah.
this
It's
is all-
funny.
And so
because-
you're a city girl, so how did you...
Well, we're both city folks and everything. So our friends and family members, they like, how did this happen? It was like,
Oh, they thought we were weird when we started gardening, like a lot of food, because it was before 2020.
yeah.
Before 2020. Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
And so they were like, you know, people that knew us made fun of us. People that kind of knew us thought it was cool, and they were like, "How do you do that?" And they wanted us to post videos
Yeah.
about it.
And we was just talking to one of our other content creators. I was like, I thank God how he put us in position before the whole crazy started. Like we started growing food before the pandemic, and then we started raising chickens before the whole chicken wave, and then
Yeah, the
this-
chickens the specific chicken that we grow, hatcheries are out of. People are driving here 6 hours to pick up.
yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, she just drove 3 hours one
And
way.
we fell on that by accident. I was just every animal on here. I did a whole bunch of research on.
Okay.
We started off with chickens.
It's flavor first.
Yeah.
That's the rule.
We started off with the chicken, did the naked necks because of the naked gardeners, and then we had some other ones. I was like the Barred Rock and the Plymouth Red, and
The Rhode Island Red.
I mean the
Yeah.
Rhode Island Red, and I forgot the other. There was like some other rare birds.
Dominique's.
Yeah, but I picked those because they're They sometimes go broody, which means they hatch out their own eggs. And I was like, well, since we don't have an incubator, it'd be good to have some chickens that be able to breed some chickens, breed some chickens for us and stuff like that. And then the turkeys.
I went behind his back and bought some not some brooders, but some incubators.
Yeah. So I'm like, well,
Yeah, he was like, about butt.
It tastes different by putting...
We're making
no,
money.
it doesn't. It's an increase.
I invested in us.
Yes.
The incubator will increase the chances of the chicks to hatch because sometimes a broody hen will
They
go
naturally,
unbroody.
yeah.
All of a sudden, they've been laying on the egg. Then all of a sudden, like I'm done. This is boring.
The odds of them hatching out the number that I can get from an incubator is way less.
Yeah.
Like a hen can only maybe hatch out a good 8 healthy birds.
Yeah. And then we had when we first got to the property, we had some wild ducks come and they would lay some eggs on our property.
Yeah, we kept finding them between these trees.
Yeah, and so I was kind of hesitant at first because I'll find them. I'm like, I don't know how long these been, so I'll crack them in the bowl first before I put them in the frying pan so I don't be frying no half.
Duck eggs are
Yeah.
our favorite. That's all we eat.
It tastes really good.
Oh, yeah.
Really good.
Yeah. Have you ever had duck egg before?
No, I haven't had duck before, so I'm like, I had the duck sauce. Is it made with them in there? I don't know.
No, I don't think so.
I
We'll send you
know.
some with some duck eggs so that way you could try it
Try
out.
it?
Yeah.